Hi, everyone. This is Dr. C. I hope that you're doing well, that you're having a great week 8, start to week 8. Um, I am here today with an instructional video on the research sharing assignment that we have scheduled here in week 8. I'll page down so we can see what I'm talking about, this research sharing assignment. There's no link here quite yet because I'm filming this video, and when I film this, after I film this video, upload it, etc., I'll create a link here for you to be able to access this assignment, but you can access it here or in the modules section of our course website, just as usual, right? But there'll be a link to this video, and this video is meant to explain to you how to complete this assignment. So the first thing that you'll need to do to complete this assignment is actually go back to this research process assignment that we had scheduled here in week 7. Now, before I access that assignment, I'm going to go ahead and click on student view here in Canvas. And what that does is it lets me get kind of in the ballpark of what you see when you access Canvas. That'll make it a little easier for me to explain what I've got to explain here. So click on this for right now. And you see that I am now in the student view, right? Canvas now thinks of me as a student in this course rather than the teacher. Okay, page down to that research process assignment that you had to do for last week, and click on that. And as you can see here, you can see the posts of your classmates in this assignment. It's set up that way on purpose. But what's new is this little thumbs up button that you see for all of these entries. What I want you to do is I want you to go back through the posts that you see here from your classmates, and anyone who describes a project that looks, feels, just has a general sense of being similar to your own project, you should go ahead and click the thumbs up button next to that person's post in this research process assignment. So if this one, it looked close to your project, then you go ahead or seem close to the project that you're working on in scope or in focus, if they're talking about similar things, or if their argument kind of intersects or overlaps with your own, then you click the thumbs up button, right, and move on to the next one. So review all of the posts of your classmates and do the same thing. Then at the end, what you would do is go back through and just write down the names of the people of your classmates whose posts you thumbs upped, right? After you're done with that, what I need you to do, let's go back here to the homepage for the course. Actually, what I need you to do is click on the people tool, not go to the homepage. And you'll see in the people tool, you can actually see the information of your peers in the class, and then that includes my information as well. But there's also this group links up here. And this class is set up to allow students in the course to create their own groups. What I need you to do after you've gone through that research assignment that I just went through and click thumbs up next to the projects that are similar to yours, go into this group functionality here and create a group where you're then going to ask the members of your, basically, I'm just going to stop for a second. What I'm trying to walk you through is a creation of groups with the people in this course who have projects similar to your own. So eventually what you're going to do is go into this group tool and create a group so that you can work effectively within Canvas with people who have projects that are similar to your own. This turns out to be really useful in classes like this because that allows students to share sources, for instance, and bounce ideas off of one another, which is really useful, especially when you have your peers, when you're bouncing your ideas off your peers or working with your peers who are working on similar projects to your own. So what I actually really need y'all to do, if you can go back to the people tool here, is you can use this to contact the people, just to send them an email and let them know, hey, I think our projects are similar to one another. You want to be in a group together. You can contact them and start the process of creating the student-led, student-created groups. You'd create the groups here, but it's important that you contact your peers and get that ball rolling with the creation of groups, with the creation of your groups, because you don't want everybody in your group to try to create their own group, right? Somebody's got to create the group and then everybody has to join. So just working that out with your peers, that would be the next step after identifying which of your peers have projects that are similar enough with your own for it to make sense for you to work together as a group. Then start the process of communicating with your peers to form your group. And what I need you to do is just get this process done, but you don't have to create the groups by the end of this weekend, but just at least start the ball rolling with communicating with the members of your group, and have an idea of who would be in your group and who would create the group by the end of the weekend. I think that would be great. And all I need you to do then is have the person who is leading the group post a quick message in this assignment's form saying, okay, we've got a group set up. Here are the members of the group. And that's all you would have to do is let me know that you have a group set up or that you're, pretty close to setting one up in Canvas, and let me know the names of the members in your group. That's pretty much the entire assignment. So it's not a lot of hard work. It's just getting you all to kind of coordinate with one another, figure out whose projects are similar enough to one another, where working with one another and bouncing ideas off of one another might be really profitable for your own individual projects. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. That's the assignment. So as long as the group members, as long as you're in an email, as long as your name is in the post by your group leader, then you're fine for the assignment. As long as you've coordinated with your peers to either start a group or identify a group in which you belong or like to participate in, to share your ideas and bounce your ideas off of one another, then that's fine. I've looked at everyone's project in this course, and there's no individual project that's so different from the other projects in this course that I anticipate any of you looking at everyone else's work and finding no one whose work is similar enough with your own that you could work with them in a group. If that makes any sense. Everyone's work is similar enough to one another's for this to work and for no students to be left outside of a group. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I look forward to seeing how these groups form, and we'll extend this group work. We'll actually build on this group work with the activity that you have scheduled for next week, and I'll have a video prompt for that as well. Okay, thanks a lot. I'm looking forward to seeing what y'all come up with. Thanks, bye.